call?
Are you sure you're not just a person with a mask?
See how, Mark, see how hard it is to open your mouth?
Are you sure you just didn't paint your face?
I'm sure.
And you?
No.
Censored. Well, I just painted my face. Yes. And I like to dance. And we all have no emotion. Because we just can't have emotion. That's just how it is. We just walk around. Hi, George. How you doing? I really like that monster. Bye-bye.